Welcome to ProKitchen University, an online video tutorial series, version 11. This video is part of the Mac Native Interface series for Mac users only. This tutorial is an instructional overview of the print options and settings within the Mac Native Interface, where we will locate and walk through the available print settings. Printing your design plans is an integral function for presentation purposes and to provide clear instructions for installation. Once the design is complete, and all the necessary plan and elevation views have been created, you are ready to print. To locate your printing tools, navigate to and open the File category. At the bottom of the menu, you will see Print, Print Preview, and Print Templates. These three print options may also be found on the top toolbar to the right of the Undo and Redo buttons. When Print is selected, a dialog box will appear. Here, you will have the option to select the desired printer. Select a preset, which includes options of default, last used, black and white draft, color, or color fine. You will also be able to save your adjusted settings as a preset or edit your preset list. Next, you may select how many copies will be printed, select all pages to be printed, or select a range of pages to print. You may print in color, if default settings or either color settings have been selected above, or toggle off the switch for grayscale printing, and toggle on or off double-sided printing, and you may even select double-sided printing with a short edge. Media and quality are the next available settings. Select the arrow icon to reveal your selections. Here, you may adjust the paper type to be used, and adjust the print quality as draft, normal, or best. In layout options, you may adjust how many pages will print per sheet. If you have selected 2 or more pages, the layout direction options will become active, and you may select the direction in which the pages apply to the printed pages. You then may adjust the page border between the options of none, single or double, hairline, or thin line. You may also toggle on or off the reverse page orientation or flip horizontally options. In paper handling, toggle on or off the collate sheets option. Select Print all sheets, even or odd pages only. Select Sheet order automatically, in normal order, or in reverse order. Toggle on or off Scale to fit paper size, and select the destination paper size. When selecting a paper size smaller than US letter or 8.5 by 11 inches, you may also toggle on the Scale down only, which will scale down to fit. The watermark option when opened will allow you to toggle on watermark printing, which will activate the text box below where you may type the watermark. Select the font, typeface, style, size, and more. You may also adjust the type alignment and location of watermark application. The Printer Info option will allow you to see the name, location, and model of the selected printer and its current supply levels. At the bottom left corner of the dialog box, you also are provided with the option to create a PDF of your plans. Either click on the PDF button to create a Save As title, add tags, select Save Destinations, and add any additional details such as subject matter or keywords. Or you may select the arrow just to the right to provide a drop-down menu, where you may open a preview, save as a PDF, save as a PostScript, save to your iCloud drive, save to web receipts, or send in mail, or use the Edit menu to set up printing workflows. Once your settings are to your preference, you may navigate back to the top to the presets to save your settings, or click the Print button to print the document. Back in the File category is Print Preview. This option allows you to make additional adjustments and preview how your design views will print. Here, you may select a printer, click the Setup button to adjust the page layout, choose image quality between vector or raster, adjust the print scale as either fit to page or a preferred scale ratio. You may also choose to print the entire design or just the current display. In the page range options, you may choose to print all created views, the currently displayed views, all created plan, or all created elevation views. Or you may choose the Selected Views option. To utilize this, select the Now Active Browse button, which will launch a dialog box where you may select a custom print from any of your created views. To the right of the page range options, you will see options labeled Stamp Form. The stamp form is a customizable professional footer that may be applied to your created documents. Here, you may select to enable or disable a border around the stamp form, enable or disable the stamp form from being present on your document, and enable or disable grayscale color schematic to the stamp form itself. Below and to the left, you will see a stamp form button. When selected, it will launch a dialog box in which you may format and customize how the stamp form will appear. Within the Design tab, you may alter the design name field text, field height, font, font size, and font styles in bold or italic. The Date options allow you to adjust the width and height of the field. Select Design and Print dates if they vary from the current date, and once again, alter the font, font size, and style. In the Logo tab, you may adjust the width and height of the logo field. The logo applied by default will be the logo set within your default settings. You may choose to clear the logo for a blank logo field, reset to your default if you had previously altered the logo image, or browse to select a new logo in either PNG or JPEG formats. For the left and right text fields, you may utilize this space to enter pertinent information for customers, contractors, or installers as necessary. And once again, adjust width, height, and font appearance for each of these fields. The Cancel button below will dismiss the dialog box without saving any changes. Reset will reset the stamp form to its default settings. Preview will launch a preview of the appearance of the stamp form to created documents. And the OK button will save and apply the stamp form settings for future use and dismiss the dialog box. The last print option found in the File category is Print Templates. Print templates provide you an opportunity to create professional and consistent printouts for your customers. You may select from any of the existing templates or create a new customized template and select the page format. You may also access and adjust the stamp form, enable or disable the stamp form, grayscale printing, or page border. When either creating a new template or selecting an existing template, then clicking the OK button will launch a dialog box that will have controls similar to the Dynamic Design Showcase. Here, you may print to PDF, use the Save icon for saving a user-created template, and close. You may also add a view to add an additional view box, use Clear View to remove a view from a view box, add text, add option allows you to add design details as set within Design Settings and Global Options, and Delete will delete a selected view box. There are also Undo and Redo buttons, Add and Remove Grid Background, Snap to Grid, and Lock or Unlock All Views. You may add a header or add a footer if the stamp form is not present, zoom in, zoom out, or manually adjust the zoom to your preference, and scale a selected view. For deeper instructions on how to utilize these tools, please visit the Dynamic Design Showcase tutorial. There is one additional print option that can be found with the right-click menu available for any created view. Place the mouse on the grid background away from the design components and right-click to access the menu. The option Quick Print will print only this specific view and will print in accordance with the current print settings. With the print options provided in ProKitchen software, you have complete control in printing your design plans. Thank you for visiting ProKitchen University. Be sure to visit us at prokitchensoftware.com.